you know how to filter data in Excel based on a date range? For example, in our sales data over here, we have the date column that stretches from 1st January 2022 up to around end of March 2022. We have the product column for the products that were sold. We have the sales figures and also the agents that make those sales. So what we want to achieve is that when a user types in a date range, let's say 1st January 2022 up to let's say 25th February 2022, we should see the total sales for this specified period pop up automatically over here. So do you know the function or formula that pulls this total sales from this sales table over here in Excel? In this video, I'm going to show you both the formula and the function that we use, and let us start right now. We shall head over to our results cell and start typing equals SUMIFS, open brackets. The sum range is of course our sales column, comma. The criteria range, we are looking at the date, comma. For the criteria, because we want to specify the date that will be punched in cell C5 over here, we shall open quotes. Then we say greater or equals, close quotes. Let's add an ampersand and then select our cell where the date will be punched, comma. Our criteria range too is of course the date column, because we want to specify any date that will be punched in cell D5 over here. So I will select the date range, comma. The criteria this time, we open quotes. We say less or equals, close quotes. Let's add an ampersand and then select the cell that will contain our date. We close brackets and hit enter key on our keyboard. Of course, definitely we get nothing in our cell because we haven't specified any date. So let's go ahead and input some dates over here. Let's say, for example, I put 25th January 2022 up to 31st March 2022. I want to know the total sales that were made in between those two dates. I just hit enter key on the keyboard and you'll see your figure automatically pulled up over here. Let us try a much longer date range. I will say 1st January 2022 up to 25th Feb 2022. As soon as I hit enter key on the keyboard, you see my total auto-populate over here. If our interest was to know the total sales for a specified product when a date range is given over here, we can edit our formula and add a third criteria. You just head over to the formula bar and say comma, the criteria range this time will be the product, and the criteria itself will be any product that is selected in cell B8. Hit enter key on your keyboard and there you go. All your results will auto-populate automatically.